Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Today's discussion is the GDI business opportunity or global domains international business opportunity. I want to let you know if you join our team, you will be placed under a team rotator, which is going to help build your business, place people underneath your username. This is all free at no cost to you once you join our team. Says our team places members under you. Thousands of people in 180 countries are earning quiet fortunes from home. One of the top earners in our company, in our team, is making $30,000 a month and it's growing. And also, they're going to share with you because it helps them help you, and they'll send traffic to your links, and you'll never quit. Right? There's a 2-minute video in the description box below that you're going to see, which is this exact same link here. But once you join our team, you'll be given what's called a replicated site. The same thing that you see here, you're going to be receiving this as well once you join our team. Once you click on the registration button, so this is the registration button. Click here to sign up. Okay, so click here to sign up for free. So you get to test drive the business for 7 days for free to see if it's something that you're interested in. After the 7-day period, you will be charged a $10 per month membership fee. Okay, but also remember that our team has a team rotator. We also have training. We have team leaders who's going to be emailing you the training. Today is Saturday, and it's about 7:23 that I'm making this video. And a half hour at 8 o'clock, a little bit over a half hour at 8 o'clock, our team leader is providing us a conference call, 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And then it's, I believe, it's about 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time if you're in the East Coast. And if you're overseas, you can also tap into that conference calls as well. But if you don't, or if you're not able to attend the conference call, we will get emails that have a playback where you can call in, or you can listen from your internet and listen to what the team leaders are, listen to the training. Most importantly, this is a business where you don't need any experience. We will train you. Our team leaders will train you. Once you sign up, I'll see your information. Y'all see your first and last name and your user ID, and also your email address. And what I'll do is go ahead and forward your information to our team leaders. Um, they're going to put you in a team rotator, which is going to help build your downline. This is no cost to you. They take care of all the costs. But also, you're going to be given some links to share social media if you want to do videos, things like that. But also remember, you can just put it in the team rotator, see what happens. And if this is for you, that's great. People are making some great income. We do have weekly bonuses that get paid through PayPal. So we get paid through PayPal or by check. I chose to get paid by PayPal because it's more faster. I have my debit card linked to my PayPal account. So the way the weekly bonuses work, you recruit 5 people. So for every 5 people you recruit, now these are after their 7-day period, they decide this is a business for them. So from Monday through Saturday, or yeah, Monday through Saturday evening, if you're able to recruit 5 people, GDI will pay you a bonus. Now that bonus is $100 for every 5 people. For 10 people, it's $200. It goes from increments of 5. So every 5 people you brought in, active accounts within that week, qualifying week, you're going to receive $100, and it goes from there. There are people making $1,000 each week because people see the business opportunity and they join. But most importantly, the team that I'm a part of, I will give you that information once you do decide to be a part of our team. Now, it's not just about finding any GDI or Global Domains International website and joining. It's if you join our team, we're going to help you build your business. Remember, click the green button, follow the instructions to select WS domain names, and pay your 10 bucks. Makes no difference what domain name you choose. Just make sure it's a WS domain name, not .com or .net. So you qualify for the free trial. So you're going to get a free trial for 7 days. All right. So our team, we do train you. Shortly, I'll be attending a conference call. Once you're part of our team, I'll provide the information. So our team leaders will be in touch with you, providing you training and also a way for you to be more successful in the business and helping you turn $10 into a lifetime income. I believe if you're earning even half of this, you'll be satisfied. A person who's earning only 10% of this is going to be satisfied. So 10% of $30,000 a month is going to be $3,000 a month. Um, I did provide a GDI income calculator just to show you like projections of what you can get paid. So just imagine if you, I'll show you here. So just imagine if you're able to share this information with 5 people, and you giving them the information that you will be provided in your training. And based off of your training, you're going to be taught how to duplicate our system. So you're able to show how 5 people can bring in 5 people, and they will get the same training you have. There's nothing for you to do because you're going to get the information on how to get those 5 people trained. And those people are going to tap into the same exact system you will be provided, and then they're going to get the same training, and then they're going to repeat this process through 5 levels down. So we get paid through 5 levels. Okay. So if you bring in 5 people, they bring in 5 people. That process happens all the way through 5 levels. So we're going to put 5 there. So you're going to get, so number of direct referrals is $1 each. So number of levels 2 through 5, $1 each. So your 5 will show how those 5 to do 5 onward to 5 levels. And this is the income projection of that process. So these are your referrals there, these are the levels here, and this is the income there. So the incomes are on each level, and this is your total monthly income there. Right? Now I spend about an hour per week promoting this business. Just an hour per week. I don't promote it every day because I do other things, but I do have some recruits, and I feel pretty good about that. So I'm on my way to going to the 5th level, which is great. Um, my goal is a little bit more. I want to exceed that 5 people on my first level because not all people you recruit in is going to be proactive and take this business serious. That's just the way of life. Not everyone you recruit is going to be um, e- eager as you are. But once they see the income, then that's when the mindset kicks in and say, "Let me put more time into this business." Now, the reason why I put an hour into this business because I do blogs, I do videos, and then I set it, and then I go back to um, my career. I am a real estate agent, real estate broker, so there's a lot of time that's taken up from my way of just promoting this business. But if you get it an hour a week minimum, an hour a week minimum, you'll see some progress because I've seen some progress. Okay, so my goal is to bring in 10 people, and then I want those 10 people to be trained so they're going to bring the 10 people, and that happens all the way through 5 levels. Now, I'm not being money greedy, but this is the business. The thing in business is train your, so your recruits is going to be your staff, right, or your team members. So train your team members to be successful. They will in turn teach those people to be successful down to 5 levels. If you're teaching people to be successful, you give them something of value, giving them a way to earn income, and they're going to be eager to show other people what they're doing, and they're going to build a team that is going to expand, right? So this may be a greater number. So this is just for educational purposes. So I might bring in 10, but You know, one of the 10 may bring in 100 people, or uh, a third level person may bring in 50 people. So this is just numbers that you're just um, tapping into. So you remember that. So you're getting paid through 5 levels. This is just for educational purpose. So not every person on your team is going to recruit, but then there's going to be some people on your team who's going to recruit very huge based on their influences, based on their business savviness, based on their internet marketing, based on their social media marketing. They might have another person that's a part of their team who has great marketing skills, or tap into our system along with their talents and their needs and wants in life. Once they tap into our system and show people that they can build a massive team underneath them. So this is just for educational purposes. This is just 10. You get 10, they get 10, down 5 levels, right? So I'm going to press the equal sign to show you exactly where that income is going to show up at. This is real money and this is real life situations. So this is my goals, right? Your goals may be different from mine, but I want to over exceed the expectation of this business. I'm going to take it serious. I'm tapping into our team training. So my goal is to uh, have this type of income. So with that type of income, the lifestyle will change. But for now, I'll show you where my position is uh, heading to. So we're gonna go with 7, right? So I'm gonna be bringing 7 people this week and this weekend, right? 7 more people this weekend. I just started the company. My 7-day trial has now been over, so now I started the company because I see the potential, and I've brought in some recruits so far, so which is great. So within the week, I'm looking to this is where I'm ready to build up at. Okay, so my goal right now for the week is to bring in 7 people, but I'm gonna do this each and every week, bring in 7 people, bring in 7 people, bring in 7 people on my first level, because I want my first level to be a minimum of 100. Right? So I'm saying on my first level, I'm bringing in minimum 100. Right. Right. So just not everybody's gonna recruit, but if I bring in a minimum of 100 and show those people at least bring in 7 people. I want my income to be there. I'm gonna do a follow-up video, show some progress, possibly show some if I gotta read the trade term of service, make sure I'm not gonna be in violation. I show you my income, but our leader, they show you their income and their projections. But also, it's one of those things that you're gonna also see, right? So just go ahead and click on the button there. Well, just go ahead and click on in the description box. You can click the button that says sign up here. You're gonna see this. You're gonna come to this video. You're gonna watch this video. Once you watch this video, you're gonna get the information that I received and I was sold on. All right. And then when you click here, you're gonna be taken to a site registration page, right? So it's gonna have my username, but go ahead and delete that. If you see my username, go ahead and delete that. And then you're gonna create your you're gonna create your username, create a password. You're gonna re-enter your password, okay? And you're gonna salutations if that's important to you. Select the one that identifies who you are, your first name and your last name, okay? Then press continue. Thank you for tuning in to be